Today I am going to show another video related for battery charging. See, you can see here this is an battery replacement as well as charging near the FM4 railway station and as well as metro in Bangalore. So you can see this is an station where you can see the batteries are being charged. So these are the batteries. So these already been charged. Once it is getting exhausted, these batteries can be again you can use for the other two-wheelers or three-wheelers where the charge is exhausted. Okay, so what I am going to say is this thing station is only for Honda. So this is a beautiful station here. You can see this is an innovative technology again for pollution control. So it's a nice one. So whenever your battery got exhausted, you can put here for charging and you can take already charged batteries. So I hope this video will be very useful. Thank you so much, guys.